Hello everyone, welcome back. I'm Kate and this is Nurture Nature, and it is very, very wet and horrible today outside, so I'm going to do something that I've never done before, and that's to start off my loofah seeds. I have never grown loofahs before and I thought it'd be fun to try it. Hopefully I can use a dried loofah as like a scrubbing brush or something, so that's my aim. I have been following someone on Instagram who grows loofahs, and she's got a really good handy trick to start loofahs germinating, so that's what I started with. So these are the loofah seeds, and to start them off you can snip one end with a pair of nail clippers just to help germination start. So there are sort of two ends to this. You've got like a pinched pointier end and a more rounded end, and all you want to do is just snip off that rounded end just a little bit, just to sort of expose the inside of the seed, and that will help it to germinate. So once I've snipped them all, I'm then going to put them in some paper towel, and I will make sure the paper towel is soaked and is wet, squeeze out the excess water, and put that somewhere warm. And hopefully in a few days' time, up to 5 days, they will start to germinate and you'll see little shoots or little roots. So it's now day 5 and I've just opened up my seeds and nothing has happened. By now we should start to see them sprouting, so I'm a bit disappointed, but I've done a little bit of research and I know what I've done wrong. When I first clipped them, I put them in wet paper towel and I just put them in the airing cupboard, and this on day 5 was the first time that I checked on them, whereas I should have been keeping that paper towel wet. So I'm going to try that again. I'm going to keep going with these seeds, but I'm just going to make sure the paper towel's wet and put it in my heated propagator, because I think it's a bit warmer in there, and at least it's a constant temperature. Just 2 days later, I checked on my seeds and they have finally started sprouting. So definitely I needed to have kept that paper towel wet. I can't resist but look again. So let's see what we've got. Ooh, my life. They have really, really grown. Oh, I've got another one. Wow. They have grown so much just in 24 hours. I cannot believe it. Those two have actually stuck together. Wow, look at that. And that was like, that shoot was up to about there before yesterday. Look how much that has grown in 24 hours. And I have got, wow, look at that one. Again, that one, I was only up to there yesterday. That's so long. And then this one, I've got to be really careful with them. I don't want to hurt them. I don't want to break anything off. They've got slightly stuck to, that one is long as well. Look at that. And then I only had 3 yesterday, and I've got a 4th one. This one is clearly a bit stuck and doesn't want to do anything yet. So that's the, how can you see? That's like they call it the pinched end, and that's the end I snipped. It's hard to see on camera. It's not focusing. But I'm not going to give it up. I'm going to maybe put that, keep that going and see if it will sprout. And now I need to look up what I need to do with those. I expect I'm going to have to plant them, put them in some soil. So I'm inside A, because it's windy, and B, because it's really late. I've actually just finished work. But I really need to get my Luffa seeds in. They've been sprouting really, really well over the last couple of days, and I just can't wait until the weekend. It's Thursday now, and I think another 2 days and they're going to be so long. So I want to get them into some soil straight away. So I've kept these in a wet paper towel and in a plastic bag in the heated propagator since, well, I've had them in since last Wednesday, but Sunday they hadn't done anything, and I made a few adjustments, like keeping the paper towel wet, and I moved it from the airing cupboard to the propagator, and they're just huge now. One has not sprouted though. Oh no, oh, is it starting to? No, it's not starting to, so I might have to give up on that one, I don't know. But the others, not only are they growing roots, but they're even growing like little side roots now, little hairs, so they need to get in the ground quickly, or in soil quickly. So I haven't got a seed tray, but I have got an old baking tray. I've got 5 pots, but it looks like I only need 4. I've got some nice big pots here. So I've got my 4 pots that I have washed in hot soapy water, and I filled them up with some compost. And now I assume that is the root. It looks like a root rather than a shoot, but I don't really know. So I think I'm just going to pop it in there, cover it up. We will hope for the best. Never tried these before. I'm trying to be really gentle with them. I've never tried loofahs before, but I'm really interested to see if I can actually grow one and then use it as like a scrubbing brush. I assume you could eat them as well. I assume so. I assume you can eat the actual loofah or the gourd, or let them dry out and use it as a sponge. So hopefully more than one of these will work, and we can find out. So I'm going to give them a little water. And hopefully they'll be a bit happier in there. And I'm going to give this little guy a new bit of kitchen roll and a last chance. So I will soak some kitchen roll, put it in there. I really don't think anything's going to happen now, but I'm going to give it a last chance. And if it's not up within a week, I'm going to assume that it's dead. Find out in my next video how my loofahs are getting on and to see their progress. I hope you liked today's video, and if you want to try and grow loofahs, then I've put some instructions, some step-by-step instructions as to what I did in the description box. So check that out and try it.